Hello and welcome to 4Seller. This video will show you how to fulfill your order using 4Seller's one-click ordering function. Before this, you need to make the following preparations. Step 1. Please remember to download the plugin of 4Seller. Every time you use the one-click fulfillment function, you need to open the plugin to ensure that you open it successfully. Step 2. The following devices need to be prepared and connected to the computer. Scanner, quickly scan the barcode to enter the package code and order size. Connect an electronic scale, quickly enter the weight of the goods when packing the order. You can check whether the device is successfully connected by the green signal. Step 3. Set your packing list template in advance and you can set the information you want to display according to your needs. Step 4. Set up the package size barcode template in advance. Step 5. If online shipping, when you authorize stores to 4Seller successfully, you can directly select shipping service, then print the barcode. If not online shipping, you need to authorize the carrier. In this page, you can check the carrier which 4Seller support, then authorize. When complete the authorization, you can select the shipping service, then click print. Step 6. Print by label confirmation barcode. Click print barcode, can select the size of print paper. Step 7. The details of operation. When printing, you need to adjust the printing device to ensure that the printed barcode is complete, in order to avoid invalid scanning. When all barcode have been prepared, you can enter the one-click fulfillment page to fulfill orders. Scan the packing slip barcode, then the order number and order details will be showed automatically. Scan the package size barcode, the size information will be showed automatically. Placing the parcel on the electronic scale, the weight and size information will be recorded automatically, and the weight unit can be modified by yourself. And scan the logistics barcode, it will put a page. Scan the confirmation barcode, which realize fast delivery after shipping. You can check the order status in 4Seller. Thanks for watching and please subscribe if you like us.